This is the practice test for decimals. Here we're working on problem number 10, and we're asked to divide 6.85 divided by 0.5. And I have set up the division here. We have the 6.85 underneath the quotient bar, and then outside we have the 0.5. And whenever we're dividing by a decimal number, we have to first change this decimal number here into a whole number. And so we need to take the decimal point and move it to the far right. And however many places we move the decimal point here, that's how many places we have to move the decimal point in the number under the quotient bar. So we've moved it one place value to the right, and now we have to move this decimal point one place value to the right here, and then we can put the decimal point up on the quotient bar here and begin our division. So we're looking at 5, and 5 fits into 6 one time, and so I put the 1 above the 6. I have to be careful that I put the numbers on the quotient line above the number that I'm dividing into. So 5 fits into 6 once, and then 1 times the 5 gives me 5, and I subtract, and I have 1. My next step is to pull down the next digit to the right, which is the 8, and then I repeat the process. I ask how many times does 5 fit into the 18, and the answer is 3 times. So 3 times 5 gives me 15. When I subtract, I have 3. And then I pull down the next digit to the right, the last digit, the 5, and I ask how many times does the 5 fit into 35, and the answer is 7. And 7 times the 5 is 35. I have a remainder of 0. And I'm dividing into the 35, the last digit to the right is the 5. And so I want to put that 7 above the 5, which means it's going to fall to the right of the decimal point. It's going to be in the tenths place. So my answer is going to be 13 7/10.